Machine learning represents the cornerstone of modern artificial intelligence, and in this section, you will learn its fundamental principles. We'll delve into algorithms that enable machines to learn from data, understand key concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, and explore model evaluation techniques. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for more advanced topics. Following this, deep learning theories will take you on a journey through the intricacies of neural networks. You'll explore how these networks mimic the human brain, enabling unprecedented advancements in tasks like image and speech recognition. Emphasis will be placed on understanding the architecture of deep neural networks, activation functions, and the backpropagation algorithm. Next, we shift focus to natural language processing basics, where you'll uncover the complexities of enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. You will learn about tokenization, parsing, sentiment analysis, and machine translation, providing you with the tools to build systems that can interact seamlessly with human language. Reinforcement learning concepts will introduce you to algorithms that learn optimal behaviors through trial and error. You'll explore how agents make decisions to maximize cumulative rewards, covering key topics such as Markov decision processes, policy gradients, and Q-learning. This understanding is crucial for applications ranging from game playing to autonomous systems. Lastly, AI ethics and governance will address the critical considerations surrounding the deployment of AI technologies. You'll examine ethical frameworks, bias mitigation, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. This lesson will challenge you to think critically about the societal impacts of AI and the responsibilities of those who develop and deploy these technologies. Together, these lessons provide a comprehensive overview of cutting-edge AI topics, equipping you with both theoretical insights and practical skills.